Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesflare for automated lead enrichment, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your Salesflare dashboard. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access various configuration options. From the settings menu, choose lead enrichment from the list of options. In the lead enrichment section, you will see different configuration settings available. First, enable the lead enrichment feature by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, select the data sources you want Salesflare to use for enriching your leads. You will find several options such as LinkedIn, company databases, and other third-party integrations. Choose the relevant options based on your target audience and industry. Once you have selected the data sources, scroll down to the Enrichment Fields section. Here, you can customize which specific fields are enriched for each lead. Common fields include company size, industry, and social media profiles. After choosing your desired fields, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom. Now, navigate back to your main dashboard. To start the enrichment process, find a lead that you want to enrich. Click on the lead to view its details. Look for the Enrich button, usually located at the top right of the lead profile. Click the Enrich button to initiate the automatic enrichment process. Salesflare will now pull in data from the selected sources. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of data and your internet speed. Once the process is complete, check the lead's profile for updated information. You should see new details populated in the fields you previously selected. If you need to enrich multiple leads at once, use the bulk action feature. Select multiple leads from your dashboard and look for the bulk action option. Choose Enrich from the bulk action menu and follow the prompts to enrich all selected leads simultaneously. Review the information periodically to ensure accuracy and relevance. If any data seems incorrect, manually edit it to fit your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.